Hey there everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. So guys, this is video 9 of our Python series, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about tuples data type in Python. So previously we have discussed about list, and actually lists are mutable. If you have watched that particular video, you'll get to know why and how is list different from tuples that we are going to see today. And actually tuples are immutable. So that also we are going to discuss in detail in this particular video. So if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel on the bell notification. Make sure to share this video with your friends who want to learn Python, and do follow me on LinkedIn for more updates. And if you have any questions, you can ask me over LinkedIn. So the LinkedIn URL is in this video description. So guys, now let's get started. So guys, here you all can see here tuples. Tuples are ordered collection of items similar to list. However, unlike list, tuples are immutable, which means once you create tuples, you cannot edit it or add something in it. Okay. So you can see here the elements cannot be changed or modified. But in list you can modify in list. Okay. So remember that. Creating tuples. So in this also you have the three different methods of creating a tuple. So those who already saw my list lecture, they already know how to use it. So I'll just directly dive in here. So this is okay. So numbers, let me just run this here. Fruits and mixed apples. Mixed tuple. Okay. So now first type of tuple is nothing but this is type 1 only integer tuple. Type 2 string tuple. Finally you have type 3 mixed. Both int and so it's combined both. Okay, so it's combined of both. Now let's see what it goes. Accessing a tuple element. So you can access elements of a tuple using indexing. Python uses zero base indexing, and first element is of 0. So you can access it like this. So let me directly print this here. So let me show you all how to access it. So fruits, 0th index. So you can see here apple is our 0th index. So banana is our 1 and cherry is our 2. So let me give it 2. So you'll see here cherry will come here. So this is the base indexing method. Like you can say, you can access elements using this indexing method. Okay, so this is an indexing method. So this I have already explained in the list. So that's the main reason. Like I'm not diving in deep here. So I hope you all will understand this. To understand this in detail, you can refer my lists playlist. The link will be in this video description. Okay, so of the lists. Okay. If you want, you can even access in reverse list as well. Reverse also. So forward direction will start from 0, but from reverse -1. For this, what I can do, fruits -1. You all obviously know you'll get cherry. So let us see -2. So -2 should give me banana. So -1 cherry, from last it will start to access. -1 cherry, -2 banana, -3 apple. So like this it goes on infinity. Okay. I hope you all are getting this. After this you have modifying tuples. Since tuples are immutable, you cannot change their content after they are created. However, you can concatenate or slice tuples. So there is this option. You can concatenate or slice the tuples. You can modify that using concatenation and slicing, but you cannot directly modify it. Okay. So let me show you all that with a good example here. Tuple 1, tuple 2 and combined tuple. So this only let me copy here. So here what it is happening. Previously in list, yeah, we used to concatenate and form, and also if you want to modify, right, you can directly modify. You can replace. You have dot replace method where you can directly replace 2 with 3, 4 like this. But here what it happens, if you want to add something, you have to concatenate it, two different cells, and from this you have to add it. You cannot directly modify in tuple 1. You cannot directly add elements in tuple 1 without creating another tuple. So this is one of the major disadvantage here, you can say. It's not a disadvantage, again it's very useful going forward. So if someone wants thing, and you can slice it as well, you can see here slicing of the tuple. So you can say here combined tuple start from 1 and end at 3. So if I run this, you can see here 2 3. So 0 1 2 3. So 3 will not be printed and near 3. So we are not telling 3 to print. Okay, so 2 3 is my result here. So this is list slicing. Okay, next we are having triple operations. So there are some of the operations, that is concatenation and even repetition. So concatenation we already saw here, same concatenation is going on, so we are not going to do this. But repetition, so let me show you all repetition here itself. Okay, for this what we can do, combined tuple multiplied by 3. You can see 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 3 times repetition is done. So what is repetition? Already it's mentioned in lists. Go and refer the lists video. Basically, if you want to understand this properly, you have to refer the lists video. Okay. Tuple methods. There are some inbuilt methods in tuple. So let us see what is this. There is no much details to explain on tuples, so I guess this video is going to be very short, but that's okay. I want you all to understand tuples clearly, so refer that, okay? Tuples have a very few built-in methods. They are of only limited compared to list due to their immutability. So you have count and indexing. After this, you have real-world examples here. I guess only that's all. After real-world examples, we have new topic, that's dictionaries. Okay, so let me explain this. This is very short and clear video about tuples, you can say. Okay, so few built-in tuples. So you can use the count method to count the total number of elements. So let us, what we'll do is, I'll store this in tuple is equals to combined list. So now I can count it. Tup dot count. So traces should be there, I guess. Okay, one second. So tup dot count. Okay, 2. So you can see here it is telling 2 has occurred 3 times. That's perfectly correct, right? So if I print, if you see here tip, so in this you can see how many times did 2 come, 1, 2 and 3, 3 times. After this you have even indexing also. If you want to find a specific index of a particular element, then you can use the same. So let me give a try with the same one. I'm not going to change it. So I'll tell cube dot index of 3, 0 1 2. So only once it came, then it stopped the iteration. Okay, you remember that. So it's only finding any one index. So here you will not be able to see everything. So this we can overcome. Actually, this duplication we can overcome when it comes to sets. I'll explain you there how we can do it. Okay, now let us quickly see the real world example as well. Create a program of employee management records using tuple. Each employee record should be represented as a tuple containing the element employee ID, name and departments. So here you can see list, and inside list we are defining the tuple. Okay, remember this. So you all might think, oh, we are defining it in list here by seeing the square brackets and how it's working. So it's actually we are defining it inside the list. We are defining again the tuples. Let me print this here. Remove the output. I'll just make it indentation free. Go back. Yeah. Now it's perfect. So now if I run this, you can see here employee 1, employee 2, employee 3 and their details. Type of employees. Type of element. So if we see, mostly it should be list, I guess. Yeah, list. Okay. I hope you all got this. So let me mention this as an example here. And I'll push this entire code to my GitHub. You can refer this code and this notebook as well. Try out this advanced example. You will get it in detail. Okay. So this is about maths example, geographical location. It's going to be interesting, but give a try. I'm not going to show that. So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. And let me come up with the new video called dictionaries in our next playlist. Okay. So meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.